I'm taking Leon's place for just a few minutes while he's busy with a customer. So, anyway, this is what he does. This is Friday evening.
Hello, fellow gardeners. Well, you can see we're not sitting at the table. We're not down at the garden center. Today, we're out here in front of our house on this busy highway on one of my mobile fruit stands. What we do, we come up here and set up beside the road. We got a watermelon sign and a peach sign and a cantaloupe sign out there. And we sit here and catch these people that are coming to the lake. They're glad to see us. They get watermelon, cantaloupe, peaches, tomatoes, okra, corn, squash, just on and on here. Now I've got to pause every now and then because the traffic gets loud. Tell me where to hold these. All right, I want you to see these peaches. These are from Georgia, but you talk about good peaches. They are wonderful. Just about liking to that. You talk about good. They run about $1 a piece, but that's cheaper than a candy bar and a lot more healthy for you. Anyway, I just wanted to show you a little different deal of what we do besides build greenhouses, sell plants, sell fertilizer, fish, Judy and I fish, but also I pedal out here on the highway. Yesterday it was 104, today it's 87. We got a rain this morning, sure did help. We got these big old cantaloupe. We sell them anywhere from $4 to $6. We got 4s, 5s, and 6s. Wonderful cantaloupes. We got watermelons, we got yellow meat, and we also got red meat. Anywhere from $7 to $10 a piece. I got 2 of these ice chests on here. We got our fresh corn in here. We sell them 2 for $1. We got zucchini squash on here that we sell for $2 a pound. We got yellow squash in that other one we sell for $2 a pound. Got some peaches in there cold if somebody wants to come by and get them something to eat right there while they're driving. We got them in here cooled off. And here I got some pears that are beautiful pears for $1 a piece, 50 cents a piece, 2 for $1. I'm sorry. Got our yellow squash. We even sell Colorado pinto beans, 2 pound for $4. Wonderful cooking beans. Best bean you can get is Colorado beans. Pintos. Okay. We've got water bottles that we freeze in the deep freeze and then put them in the bottom of these chests. Okay, we got tomatoes, we got okra, green tomatoes, green onions, you name it, and we got it. No, we don't have everything, but that's what we have. Anyway, we just enjoy sitting out here, let people come and buy this produce. I mean, there's the lady come to the lake just a minute ago. She got 1 orange meated and 2 red. $30 for 3 watermelons. She got a $6 cantaloupe, and she picked up a $20 bucket of peaches, and she was happy for the weekend. Said she'd be back first of the week down at the garden center to get some more. Listen, don't forget us. We're going to be at the Oklahoma State Fair September the 15th in the Modern Living Building. I'll be there. My whole group will be there teaching from 11 o'clock until 7 in the afternoon. So come and take pictures with us. We're going to be giving fertilizer away. We'll pray with you if I need to pray with you. Whatever we need to do, let's get it done on September the 15th in Oklahoma State Fair. Okay, those of you that hadn't subscribed, please subscribe. That little bit of money we get for you subscribing and watching our videos, we use that to send checks to these kiddos that are growing this produce, and those kiddos send me pictures of it on my phone. Then this fall, I will send every one of them a check encouraging them to garden and to eat this produce. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. We'll see you on the next video.